What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. To keep the joke running, Bob's still an asshole. Hi, Bob. But this time I knew better, and I brought my sunglasses. Still getting used to the Scorpion Covert FX. I do have a little, I don't want to call it an unboxing, but it's a first impressions video after my first ride. If you can't tell, I have adjusted the camera angle ever so slightly. Hi guys! I got to finish up Rainy Rider's part 2 to his Weirdo Campout, or what we're calling the Forgotten Angels family reunion. I'm still upsetty spaghetti that I couldn't go. I keep being told I was missed, but life happens. I was thinking back this last night, actually, on a question that Rainy Rider had asked me on his Rainy Nights interview channel series thing. And it was, do you prefer riding in a group or solo? And to be honest, while riding solo is a great Zen experience, I find myself looking back at times that I've had someone or a group of people with me, like Any Two Wheels and our trip to Illinois, the rides around Forgotten Angels, and riding back and forth to breakfast with the Weirdos Assemble crew before the Weirdos Assemble was a thing. And while I do enjoy my Zen moments, I really enjoy sharing those experiences with others. But like I said, I also wanted to get out today, ride, have a good time, get some more miles in on this helmet, because I'm a geardo. For those of you that are the uninitiated, a gear weirdo. Something that I have been meaning to buy, I'm taking Windroad Therapy's advice, Des, if you will, is getting an Atlas throttle lock for Siren. My hand gets tired after a while. Toes. I don't really have any big plans for Siren this year, though. For those of you that were anywhere remotely near interested, not a lot of you will be, and that's fine. She's pretty much just the way I want her. We were in the Weirdos Discord, and I was happy to say that Siren will be my barf party. What is dead may never die, so when she dies, I'll bring her back to life. Who knows, I might put a 140, I think it's a 143 Moonshine engine in it. Never have to worry again on all the power. Unlimited power. I've said this, I can't count how many times. I make videos just like Josh started out, to make the world a smaller place. And I've met so many amazing people in that process. So I feel like I'm the one winning. I shared a little bit of me and I made a fuckload of friends. I would enjoy that so much. So I'm going to ride a little further than I normally do this time, which means the video probably won't end where it started. And I'm A-okay with that. Who knows, I might take off up one of these back roads just to see where it goes. A lot of this I want to explore with the Weirdo crew. Make it our adventurous weekend. We're the hobbits going on an adventure. I would love to pull an Adam Sandoval and buy a campground. You realize how much fun that would be? It's a lot of work to maintain the campground, but you realize how much fun that would be? We'd have to name it something weirdo related, or I don't know. But let's do it somewhere like Tennessee, Georgia, somewhere in the South that everybody could come to. Because K River is already in the Midwest. So K River's got a huge area covered. So let's make a motorcycle weirdo hangout on towards the East Coast. And then branch, and we'll make one on the West Coast. And we'll put Circus Bear in charge of it. This ain't no Florida. But this is my neck of the woods. Oh, hi. Whoop, whoop. That should be fucking illegal, is all I'm gonna say. All the badging blacked out so you can't tell what it is. Unless it passes you or it flicks on its lights. Make them all bright white, multicolored, just like our friends across the pond. That way I know when I see it, oh, yeah, cop, okay. Have their little flashing blue light on the top. That'd be funny as shit. There's a turnaround. I don't know if the kid was waving to me or not, but hey, I'll take it. So there was another spot that I wanted us to eat at down in here somewhere. I don't see it. Maybe I didn't go far enough. Tennessee River Trail. I might have to look at that one day. This doesn't look like the Tennessee River though. This looks like Tennessee watershed. I would love to have my kids grow up out here. all the patchwork quilting that people put on their stuff. I'm just a little simple Tennessee, Virginia boy, so those things intrigue me. Probably could have turned around there. Now I might turn around somebody's driveway, or just keep riding. Nope, looks like a great place to turn around right before a very beautiful freaking... Oh well. I got all the time in the world to explore. Who knows, maybe one video I'll ride down past where they're gonna have the Tennessee Motorcycle Music Revival. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that. That would be a minimum 2-hour journey that I would happily take. Taco John's. Why am I not surprised? Things are popping up like wildfire around here. Not that great either. I don't know why I came this way. I should have turned around and went the other way. So, if you can't tell, I'm really looking forward to the Weirdos Assemble campout. I'm going to do my best to make a few others. Hey-oh! Nice bike. Again, that I won't spoil. Enjoy riding, guys, which is how it should be. I grew up that way. So it's not fair. You know, oh well, trailer trash. No. No. Granted, people are still going to say it, and people are going to say, oh, you came from a trailer, so you're still trailer trash. Whatever. I'm not going to continue that blame game, or that line of judgment, because it's not fair. I do really well for myself now. I'm successful. Now, before we go any further with the I'm successful bid, excuse me, before we go any further with the I'm successful piece, I judge success based on, can I afford what I want? Can I provide for my family? And can I be stable in doing so? The answer to all those questions is yes, then I'm successful. And that's all that matters. I may not be the greatest dad in the world, never will claim to be, but my kids get what they need, and I try to give them as much as I can, as any parent should. I'm not saying spoil the teeth out of them, but spend time with them. You don't necessarily have to buy them things. Success to each individual person varies by that person. I guess the takeaway from that little blurb, if you will, is don't let someone else's definition of success shape yours or be your definition. Success isn't cookie cutter. As I said in the beginning, the next few videos are going to be looking at some of the things we're going to be doing while we're at the Weirdos Assemble campout, which is going to be fun in itself. Just getting to hang out with all my friends and any of y'all that want to join us. That whole campsite is wide open for the weekend of TMMR. That's a beautiful thing. Got plenty planned. Gonna have good foods. If I have to kidnap Rainy Rider and Diana and drag them up here in the back of my truck with his BMW, I will. Heard it here first. I will have loose juice and probably nothing at random as accomplices. Rainy, beware. I'm sure Diana wouldn't fight us. She'd come anyway because she loves all of us. Ooh, snake! Slithery little bastards. It's that time of year. Unfucking-fortunately. So, it's gonna wrap this video up, guys. I appreciate all of you for tuning in. Hopefully this video didn't run too long. But make sure that you check out all of my friends. They'll be scrolling by here soon. And make sure you check out Weirdos Assemble. It's alternating between Fridays and Saturdays. It's a good time though. That being said, this goon's got a ride. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Later.